Okay, we are still here in European Wellness Summer Seminar, and we are here with
Dr. Soma Shekhar Reddy.
nice to meet you, Dr. Soma. And you are from?
I'm from India.
And how you like our seminar so far?
So far it's going very good and very informative and very encouraging. It's kind of exploring into the future here. And we learned earlier really a lot. Myself, basically, I'm an emergency physician. So we do a lot of emergency things. But this is completely a different kind of thing, like regenerative, bioregenerative thing. It's definitely very attractive, and then we want to introduce this thing in India, back in India, and definitely we will encourage and promote this medicine, bioregenerative medicine, sure, in India.
Very good. We're very happy to hear that. And I'm sure you like the presentation from Professor Mike.
Presentations are very good, especially Dr. Mike. He is very inspiring. And Dr. Yuri and Dr. Dimitri, yeah, all the presentations are very good, very informative. And they are sticking to the basics. And from there, they are building to the how, what's about the regenerative, what is the role of regenerative medicine here regarding to particular disease and how it's going to treat. It's very good, it's very informative. And surely we will organize such kind of a similar workshop on the conference in India.
Yeah, we should do that.
Yeah.
I'm very happy that you had such an educational experience here with us. And maybe you have some tips on how we can improve this for next year?
Yeah, it's very good. Actually, it's very comprehensive, very inclusive model. But what I can give you a suggestion is if you can put some testimonials in the first part, like first half of the first day.
Okay.
And that will actually bring more immersion, more encouragement, more idea, the gross idea, like attracting the people and stick on to the conference.
All right.
So compared to yesterday, today we were like more immersive. So we are into the reasoning more.
Maybe tomorrow it's even better.
Yeah, tomorrow it will be more better.
Yes.
So ideally, if the first part of the conference is more regarding the testimonials and gross,
Okay.
then definitely we will concentrate more on the all educating materials on the next day and the next day. So that's the only thing. So otherwise, everything is good.
Very good. Thank you very much for your points, and thank you for coming, and hope to see you soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, see you soon.
See you.